Hello, I have researched many home safety campaigns, and in this short video, I will introduce you to the best service. I have been using it for 6 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best home security systems category. Let's not waste time and get started.
SimpliSafe, this low-cost DIY system has a lot to offer both renters and homeowners. It's very easy to set up. The SimpliSafe app works great and the hardware has some cool features. SimpliSafe offers 2 professional monitoring plans, standard, which costs $14.99 per month, and interactive, which costs $24.99 per month. Unfortunately, the standard plan lacks many of the most useful features, so most users will want to pay $10 more for interactive monthly monitoring. With SimpliSafe, professional monitoring is optional. Professional monitoring means that there is always someone on your security system who will first call you and then call the authorities if an alarm goes off. If you decide to do without it, your alarm will act as a local alarm, which means that if someone triggers the sensor, it will still sound the siren. SimpliSafe has a number of features that enhance equipment safety: simultaneous connection to the cellular network and Wi-Fi. Therefore, if your internet connection goes down or you lose your cellular signal, your system will still work. Smash-safe backup. If an attacker destroys your wireless keyboard or base station, your system will send an alarm to the monitoring center. Base station backup battery. If your base station loses power, it still has a 24-hour battery backup. SimpliSafe also gave its devices longer range and higher processing power, so everything works a little better. Perhaps the biggest technical highlight of the SimpliSafe equipment is the cellular system. This means you don't have to connect everything to landline or rely on a Wi-Fi signal for your safety. SimpliSafe uses a cellular signal just like your smartphone. Cellular is the most secure connection a home security system has to offer, so as long as your location has a strong enough cellular signal, we cannot recommend a better option. If you've had an alarm system before, you probably know that most systems use a primary control panel to communicate with sensors and beep if someone breaks a window and sneaks into your living room at 2 a.m. But SimpliSafe uses something slightly different. The main console is called the base station. The base station communicates with all of your sensors and devices. When you set up your SimpliSafe system, you simply take the base station out of the box and plug it in easily. We put ours directly on the kitchen counter. The base station has a pretty bright light at the bottom that stays on continuously, so keep in mind that if you put it in your living room, it can annoy you while you're watching movies. Installing SimpliSafe is completely DIY and it's easy. No drilling or punching is required in the walls, plus the hardware comes with sticky strips, so you just remove the cover and glue the sensors in the right place.